guys, what is going on? Welcome back to the channel, and today we're doing a little noodle upgrade on the F350 Radiator. I had quite a few comments regarding this hose. It's a dual alternator hose that I should have swapped when I was doing the thermostat, but honestly I didn't really feel like it, and I looked on Amazon, and a lot of the comments on the Amazon hose had quite a bit of bad comments regarding bad fitment and so forth, so I never actually really jumped on that when I did see it before. And now I went ahead and ordered it on Riffraff with something else that I bought with the hose, but I won't reveal that yet. I'm going to reveal that in the future video because I still have to kind of do a little bit of research on how to install it and all that stuff. So but yeah, right now I'm going to go ahead and swap this hose, and that way, in case the belt ever goes out, breaks, I can always replace it in the middle of nowhere without really needing to remove the hose that's on there right now. So here's the stock hose on here right now, as you can see, and you saw in other videos that it goes this way, and this hose is supposed to go around the belt through this little spot right here, and probably throw a zip tie so it doesn't touch the belt. That way, if the belt ever breaks, I can always just slip it off and put a new one on, as long as I have like a tensioner release tool, which is pretty much basically what a half an inch. So let's go ahead and get this removed. I'm gonna drain the tank till it's empty, which is probably gonna be a half a bucket, and then remove the hose. And inside the hose there's still gonna be some fluid in here because the thermostat that I upgraded does not have a drain little seep hole, but the stock one does. It's like a little ball with a drain hole, so basically when you drain it, it actually drains down into the engine, whereas this one, the upgraded version, the 203-degree thermostat, they do not have the little drain holes. So even though I'm going to drain this, there's still going to be some antifreeze in here, so I'm going to probably get that sucked out with the syringe that I have. That way I'm not going to have a full mess all over the place. And then I'm going to get this removed and then replace it with this guy, which is also made in the United States, and that's kind of why I bought this on Riffraff, because it is made in the United States. And the one on Amazon, I'm not sure where it's made, but I didn't see any good comments. There was a few good comments, but there's a few also not so good comments. Alright, so let's go ahead, get this removed, drain it, removed, put that on. Let's see how fast it's going to take.
Why are they just taking all the stuff out of the
I don't know, Matthew. So Matthew's here. He's asking, why am I taking all the stuff off? Well, I got the hose drained out as much as I could, so it's, I mean, there's still going to be a tiny bit down at the bottom, but I think I got about maybe.
Is your 350 gonna drive?
Is it gonna drive?
Mm-hmm.
Yes, it drives. I'm just putting new hose. I'm putting this bigger hose in there.
So it can drive way fast?
So it can drive really fast, yes.
Or the police will catch you.
Police will catch me. Oh no. Well, I guess I'll have to put the slower hose on because this hose is too fast. Alright, so let's go ahead now. Let's pull this hose off and put the other one on and refill the tank, and we should be good to go. Okay, Matthew, let's go ahead and... Alright, Matthew, let's go ahead and put this hose back on. As you can see right there, the thermostat is full. I'm actually gonna get my syringe, suck that out. Matthew, what are you doing? Are you fixing my truck? Huh? No. Why not? So as you can see, there's still some fluid in there. I'm gonna suck that out just so it's not splashing around when I'm putting the hose on. All right, Matthew, don't fall.
I'm getting all the water out.
Yeah. All right, there we go. Hey, look, Matthew, some juice. No.
Why?
Yak.
Yeah.
Yak.
You got spray in there.
It's juice for the truck.
Yum, yum. Is that thingy? Oh,
This thing?
yeah, full.
It's not full. We're gonna put some juice in there for the truck.
Can you still drive?
A little bit. You can drive.
Like slow?
Yes, slow. All right, so let me put the clamps back on this hose and on this side, and then we're gonna install it. Like, let's just fit it first, just in case. It's gonna go like
I
that.
almost fell.
Yeah, it'll be good. It's gonna go like this.
Almost fell.
Matt, you gotta hold on.
Yeah.
Yeah, so that's gonna go in that way, and then this is gonna go on this. All right, it's gonna be good. Matthew, it's gonna be good.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Go down.
Well, actually, I forgot to put the belt inside now. Oops. I mean, technically you don't even need a zip tie, but I'm gonna throw it on here. It's sitting in there pretty tightly. This corner right here is actually pushing it pretty firmly against the neck right here, the metal neck. But I'm gonna throw one zip tie on here just in case. And there you guys have it, the hose is done. I hope you guys are all happy. Well, I'm pretty happy too, actually. That way, like I said, if the belt breaks, I'm probably gonna have a spare belt in the truck now that I changed the hose, just in case I ever need to swap it on the road somewhere. I can just go ahead and do that without draining the radiator, removing the hose, and any of that stuff. And also this zip tie will be fine, but if you can find a thicker plastic zip tie, it'd probably be a better option. I might even change it eventually to a thicker zip tie if I find a nice thick one. I don't know what Ford puts on here. I think they might even put the metal one. I think I have a metal one, but you would think a metal one on there is not really a good idea because it's gonna vibrate right here in this spot, so a metal one might start cutting through the hose. So I think the plastic one would probably be the best option for here. And I went ahead and refilled the reservoir with the fluid that I had. It looks like it's a little bit, tiny bit below maximum, but it could also be because it's slanted slightly on the hill, and the front is raised at the angle just a little bit. But other than that, it was an easy swap. Took about maybe 15 minutes, 15-20 minutes. And yeah, the hose was about 13 bucks on riffraff, so it's a pretty cheap investment. And I think it's a good upgrade. So guys, I hope you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. If you're new, please subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one. See ya!